And this is where your propane gas detector is located. This is very important to monitor and make sure it is working at all times. You need to have a battery hookup or a power source in order for your propane gas detector to be powered, as it is hardwired into the trailer. And here is your central vac, standard in most hideout units. To operate this, you just turn the power on here and make sure you have your hose attached to the opening in the front. To change the bag, you just slide this panel sideways, pull on this latch, and open it up. And the bag just slides on here with a rubber flange.